You look at the word resilience, and what does that really mean? We all hear about that. And all that means is it can constantly take pounding without breaking. So many backup environments, backup projects, and even backup software programs are not resilient. They do one thing really well, but if they get hit by a ransomware attack, maybe they get hit by a human deletion event, maybe you have a rogue employee or a disgruntled employee that deletes things and maybe inserts an infection into your environment. We've seen it. We do this all day long. I could scare you with the stories that I see on a regular basis. Unless you have resiliency, you will not handle all the angles that people are going to try and get in and destroy your data to try and make money or cause problems for you. And that's why we've settled on Veeam. Several years ago, we moved from other backup products to Veeam solely because it is the most resilient product in the market for backup and restore. So if you get hit by ransomware, you're covered. If you get hit by lightning or some type of power outage, you're covered. A human deletion event, you're covered. Resiliency at its core function means that no matter what happens, maybe you're using Hyper-V and you want to move to VMware. Maybe you want to move off VMware to Proxmox or Red Hat Linux. Whatever you want to do with your data, it is portable, it is accessible, and no matter what hits it from any direction, you're guaranteed to be up and running if you set things up correctly. There are ways to stay in business before, during, and after a ransomware attack, but you have to use the product, you have to have your hardware, and you have to have a partner in place, like Prodatix, who can help ensure that your plan is put together, the plan is implemented, and then the plan is executed. So when you get hit by something, no matter what it is, you will recover. I tell people all the time when I talk to them, I don't care what your backup plan is, I want to know what your restore plan is. Every program out there backs up. Anybody can back up software. How many times can you take a hit and still recover and stay in business? Your data equals your reputation. Prodatix protects both. Companies are spending more on restoring their reputation. Sometimes they're restoring their data after a ransomware attack. If you have a resilient program, it's going to greatly increase your odds of restoring your company, saving your reputation, and your CFO will like this, saving money.